What's the meaning of advance man? Advance man. Advance man. Advance man. Advance man. Advance man. Advance man refers to an individual who works on behalf of a political candidate or other public figure to make preparations for their upcoming events and appearances. This involves arranging everything from venue rental and security to media coverage and audience outreach. The goal is to ensure that the event runs smoothly and effectively promotes the candidate's agenda. A successful advance man is able to anticipate potential challenges and address them before they arise, ultimately leading to a polished and successful event that furthers the candidate's campaign.